Hey guys, welcome to Cortrack. So today we are going to go next step in our prototyping playlist. So in this video, we will be talking about the next prototyping option, which is go back. So in the last video, if you do not know, we went through navigate to property in the like what can you do with prototyping. So the next thing that we will be going to is we have also covered the open link one. Now this in this video we will be going through the back option. What does the back option does? So for that we will go to this flow. So you see we already have four screens. So the first screen is named not named but it's written first screen. This is the second screen. This is the third screen, and this is the fourth screen. So now what we have what I have already done is I have already applied the back prototyping option, but I will show you how to do that. So what is the back option does? So for that, you see there are two buttons. Go to the second screen. This has the navigate to option applied already to it, which goes to screen 2. In similar manner on the screen 2, this button has the navigate to option applied, and this goes to screen 3. And similar manner, this one goes to screen 4, and this one goes to screen 1 back. So I will already show you. I will show you first go back prototyping. So you have to choose the go back prototyping flow from here from the side panel. This is the side panel option. If you cannot see that, just click on this one. So now you go to go back prototyping, which is already selected for me because I was working on it. Now, if you select this, it goes to the second screen. Now, if you want to go to third screen, as you can, you click on this and it goes to third screen and go to fourth screen. This goes to fourth screen and this goes back to the first screen. Now, you also see that there is an option called go back here. No matter which screen you go, there is a go back option. So, what is the go back? So first I will tell you that how do you apply go back. So for that, whatever like button you have on your website or link, and you want to, how do you apply go back? So you first click on that dot, and then just uh, you know when you start dragging, there is an option that appears in the Figma, which shows you something like a back arrow. I'll just show you right there. So I've removed this prototype, and now as you see, so it automatically shows this back. Now on tab and back, you have to leave it at default. If there's something else, then you have to change it. So on tab and back. That's all that you have to do, and the similar manner you have to do for these buttons. We have already done it, so we will not be going through it. Now once you do all this, so what this will do is I'll just refresh this by pressing R on my keyboard. Now you see, we do go to second screen, and now we will go to the third screen. Now we are on the third screen. Now we did two things. When we were on the first screen, we clicked on the button uh, through which we were able to go to the second screen. And the similar manner, we press the button on the second screen through which we are now currently on our third screen. Now the go back will reverse these steps. Now where were we previously just before coming to this screen? We were on our second screen. So when you press go back, we went to we it moves us to second screen. Now if we press go back yet again, it will make us move to where we were before this particular time. Now, before coming to second screen, where were we? We were on the first screen. So now, if I press go back, we were. It will make us go to the first screen. So you see, now we are on the first screen. Now, when we were on the first screen, where were we before that? We were nowhere. We were just only on the first screen only. So now, if I press go back here, it will remain in the on the first screen. So you see, it did not do anything. That's what it does. So that was go back. Now I highly suggest you that you have to try it yourself. Only then you will be able to understand anything in design. You have to try it. Just learning won't do. You have to try it. Just go ahead, make a few screens, make a button, and then connect it to go back. And a go back only works when you have the navigate to option enabled on some other button of yours or some other link of yours or another image of yours which has been turned into a link, and then you have already moved to some other navigation. Only then go back will be useful, and only then it will start working, otherwise not. So that was go back for you. So thank you guys. I hope you understood. And of course, like always, you have to know if you haven't subscribed till yet, then you have to like the video. You have to subscribe the video as well. Sharing you can do. I know not many of us do that, so that's okay. Now you can comment too if you have any questions. If you want any particular video or something you are not understanding in design and especially in Figma, then just comment on it, and I will try to make it the very next video for you because we don't have that much subscribers. So of course I can devote my personal time to you. So yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you so much.